हेलो, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। कैसे हो जी? आई एम ऑल राइट, परफेक्ट। आप लोग बताओ, हाउ इज योर हाउ वाज योर डे? I want that those students who are online, please reply to this in the comment section. That how was your day in English? No, it should be in sentences, at least 2 to 3 sentences. It should not be a phrase, because I want to check your grammar and I will be correcting your grammar part if you will be doing any wrong sentence. It's a sort of a work that is given to you. Quite productive because we studied some new concepts. Still, it is a phrase. You can say, today the day was very productive as we have learned some new concepts, and I feel like they are really they are really very relevant to be learned. Who taught you those concepts? Who taught you those concepts? Okay, great. So you have learned you have learned something new in math subject. What about others? Why others are not typing? 31 students are there online and I'm just getting the reply from only a single student. Why? When I ask you the question, you need to be very quick while answering. I said, tell me how was your day in 2 to 3 sentences. So you need to put up, you can say 2 to 3 sentences in the comment section very quickly. Today it was a little lethargic day because we don't have our morning class. so busy with preparing breakfast. Although after that in the geography we learned so many things, and mathematics we learned, and in mathematics class we learned new topics. Very nice, Parul. Others, please quickly do it. As usually great, as usual it was great, as I have learned lots of new concepts. Overall day was good and productive because today read a motivational book and so feeling much motivated. Today was a blessed day and math class was very interesting. After the class I am preparing old works, like I am completing my old pending works, such as my assignments. अच्छा जी, बस बाकी किसी ने नहीं देना. Very good. Just three students, 3 or 4 students have given the reply. Rest all are just sitting idle. Okay, let's start. Today it was a usual day. I saw some absurd things on the news channel and attended geography and maths class. Okay. Last we did up to 14th, है ना? Go the whole dog. Go the whole hog. It was a good day. I have learned so many things. You can ask us any day even. Now we can tell here on which day you was born. Give us your birth date. What? Now we can tell on which day you are born. Give us. What is this, Shivam? I'm not getting this. What you written? We learnt calendar today. Today I was more learnt from the teachers, and the maths class was very interesting because that concept was my first experience. Today I learned a lot from my teachers, and my maths class was very interesting. And even the concept which was being, you can say, which was being taught was was the one which I have studied for the first time. We can tell you on which day we you were born. Give us your birth. Okay, tell me. On which date I was born? Means you tell him your birth date and then he told your birth day like Monday. Okay. My birth date is 27 October 1986. 27 October 1986. Good, very good job, Anpreet. Everything is grammatically fine. ये हाँ जी, अब बता दो डे जल्दी जल्दी, फिर करें आगे कुछ. हाँ जी, पता है. The people are saying that if you tell me the birth date of yours, we can tell you the day. तो आप तो कैलेंडर देख देख के बता दोगे. वो तो इंस्टेंट होना चाहिए था. कर लो जी, कर लो, जल्दी सॉल्व कर लो. आज मैथ्स का इतना ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस है कि इंग्लिश क्लास में भी हम मैथ्स कर रहे हैं. वाओ. 27 अक्टूबर 1986. हाँ जी, मंडे ही था. वाह क्या बात है। ये आज सीखा है ये कॉन्सेप्ट? हैव यू लर्न दिस कॉन्सेप्ट टुडे इटसेल्फ? ग्रेट। बच्चे तो बड़े इंटेलिजेंट है भी हमारे। ओके प्लीज अब आ जाए, हम यहाँ पे इंग्लिश क्लास में शिफ्ट हो जाए। गेट इन टू द स्क्रैप ऑकवर्ड सिचुएशन। कि मतलब जैसे आप कई बार क्या होता है कि किसी ऐसी सिचुएशन में पर चले जाते हो जहां पे बंदे को ऑकवर्ड फील होता है ना? तो दैट मीन्स गेट इन टू द स्क्रैप स्क्रैप। तो he got into the scrap when his wife refused to let him help his sister. मतलब वो अपनी सिस्टर की हेल्प करना चाहता था पर उसकी वाइफ ने रोक दिया। तो they get into that person, that brother get into the scrap, so it means in a very awkward situation. Okay, that's why you are telling me that the math class was very interesting, because you learned these concepts. Very nice it is. Nice, very nice. Okay, go Brock. पहले आप ऐसा करो, गेट इनटू द स्क्रैप का जो है सेंटेंस बनाओ। Okay, you make the sentence with the word get into a scrap. I got into the scrap when I forgot the screen. Speech. Very nice. Why you forgot? I get into the scrap when I forgot the speech. Next, किसी ने नहीं बनाना? reaching my नहीं, visiting my friend's house uh, was like getting into the scrap as they were shouting on each other. I get into the scrap when I forgot the speech. I got into the scrap when I forgot the speech. थोड़े से स्क्रैप के स्पेलिंग सही करो, SCRAPE है। Yes, the girl get into the scrap when he saw boys fighting in the street. When I attend the lecture of the science, some science words are getting into the scrap. When I attend the lecture of the science, some science words, some scientific words are getting me into the scrap, means into the awkward situation. I get into the scrap when she ignored my idea. On the inauguration day, I got into the scrap uh, as I slipped from the stairs. Okay, go Brock. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज, ये क्या? एक मिनट जी, ये क्या हो रहा है? Today cinemas get into the scrap. Okay, I get into the scrap when I breaking news, when I breaking the speech. ये क्या? I get into the scrap when I breaking in the speech. When I stopped in between the speech. Okay, go broke. इसका मतलब है become bankrupt. As a result of heavy gambling, he had to go broke into the long run. मतलब become bankrupt लंबे समय के लिए, है ना? बैंक go broke. If you spend unnecessarily, it's like going broke. It means bankrupt होना, है ना? Go broke. या you can say big industrialist. Bankrupt means दिवाला निकलना, निकला बैंक का. Into a fake bank. But you was in the red stick war. A reporter is bound to get into the scraps to get out the truth. ठीक है. Due to COVID-19, the builder had to go broke. Means had to go bankrupt. ABC company go broke because of the bad business strategies. ठीक है. In the phone, more applications are installed than cause bankrupt the phone. ये क्या बात हुई सुमित? You can say more apps in the phone related to the financial planning makes a person go broke. PMB will go broke after few months. Due to this pandemic, many big companies go broke. Banks go broke after a scam of Vijay Mallya. Due to the increasing NPAs, many banks go broke. The managers had go broke through the bad loans. चलो छोड़ो इसको. Get into the hot waters. That means hot water मतलब क्या होता है? कोई परेशानी है ना? तो उसके लिए वर्ड यूज किया है गेट इनटू द ट्रबल. जब आप ट्रबल में चले जाते हो, ही गेट इनटू द हॉट वाटर बाय मैरिंग अ गर्ल ऑफ एन अदर कास्ट. get into the hot waters by opting the medical subject, and without the coaching is like getting into the hot water. हाँ जी, अब अगला करो, गो ब्रॉक छोड़ दो, गेट इनटू हॉट वाटर्स करो. As a result of heavy gambling, he had to go broke in the long term. फिर है get into the hot waters means get into the trouble. You can say if you do not manage your time, it's like getting into the hot waters in the future. Mismanagement always leads to get into the hot water is like getting into the hot water, but still life making interesting. ये क्या सोफिया? Life. China got into the hot water after attacking on the Indian soldiers in the Galwa Valley. Very good. पहले ही चलती रहती है आपके दिमाग में. Preparation of civil services without a perfect strategy is like getting into the hot water. Without proper driving skills, cause getting into the water. चलो, समझ आ गया. गेटिंग इनटू द हॉट वाटर इज गेटिंग इनटू द ट्रबल. यू कैन से कि आप अपने आप जैसे ट्रबल के अंदर जा रहे हो, तो उसके लिए होता है. गिव करेंसी टू मेक पब्लिकली नोन. द गवर्नमेंट हैज रिफ्यूज टू गिव करेंसी टू अ नंबर ऑफ स्कैम्स. मतलब आपने उसको पब्लिकली जानना ही नहीं. राहुल किल्ड द टू पीपल नहीं आएगा, राहुल किल्ड टू पीपल एंड द पुलिस अरेस्ट him, then he has to go into the hot water. If you want to take the precautions for the COVID, if you want to take precautions for the COVID-19, you would get into the, it's like getting into the hot water. Yes, getting into the hot water is like getting into the trouble. Give currency. इसका क्या मतलब है? इट मीन्स टू मेक पब्लिकली नोन, है ना. मतलब हम किसी को पब्लिकली मतलब उसके नाम का बना रहे, तो दैट मीन्स गिव करेंसी. टू मेक पब्लिकली नोन. द गवर्नमेंट हैज रिफ्यूज टू गिव करेंसी टू अ नंबर ऑफ स्कैम्स. टू गिव करेंसी टू अ नंबर ऑफ स्कैम्स मतलब टू मेक पब्लिकली नोन. During pandemic time, many countries get into the hot water. अब गेटिंग इनटू द हॉट वाटर कर लिया, अब गिव करेंसी के लिए करो. टू बी पब्लिकली नोन. टू मेक समवन पब्लिकली नोन मतलब उसको, मतलब पब्लिकली वो बंदा जानता हो. वो कैसे? द गवर्नमेंट हैज टू गिव करेंसी टू अ नंबर ऑफ स्कैम्स मतलब उन्होंने पब्लिकली उनको लोगों को पता ही नहीं होने दिया कि ये स्कैम भी हुए हैं. सो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज नोन. यस, बिल्कुल सही है. ड्यूरिंग पेंडेमिक टाइम मेनी कंट्रीज गेट इनटू द हॉट वाटर, get into the trouble, है ना. During the pandemic, all the countries were like getting into the hot waters together. You can make a good sentence like this. गेटिंग करेंसी के बारे में लिखो. has given currency has give currency their products by adjoining many strategies and achievements. समझ नहीं आया मुझे. Regional media trying to give currency to the farmers protest. Some news channel must be banned for giving currency to the rumors and wrong information. During pandemic, poor peoples are getting into the hot water. It is very crucial to get currency to rape cases to control this crime. New national education policy give currency through the media. गिव करेंसी मतलब होता है किसी को पब्लिकली नोन होना. मतलब वो कहते हैं कि जैसे लोग जैसे कोई भी सेलिब्रिटी जैसे वो पब्लिकली नोन है ना. तो गिव करेंसी का मतलब ऐसा ही है. द गवर्नमेंट हैज रिफ्यूज टू गिव करेंसी टू द नंबर ऑफ स्कैम्स. मतलब उन्होंने क्या उनको स्कैम्स जो हुए उनको पब्लिकली लोगों को पता ही नहीं चलने दिया. Many companies hire celebrities to give currency. In India, every states of the culture give currency. In India, every state of the culture give currency. बनाओ गिव करेंसी का पारुल. हायर सेलिब्रिटीज टू गिव करेंसी. ठीक है पारुल ने तो बना दिया अभी. This currency their products by adopting many marketing strategies like advertisement. बिल्कुल ठीक है. तो अब है ग्रेट हैंड. मतलब एक्सपर्ट का हाथ होना. I don't know why it is getting disconnected. From my side, it is totally correct. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बाकियों से पूछो क्या वीडियो में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. क्लियर है. ओके गिव करेंसी समझ आ गया. टू नो टू मेक पब्लिकली नोन. ग्रेट हैंड एक्सपर्ट के हाथ होना है ना. इसका क्या मतलब है. कहते ग्रेट हैंड ही इज अ ग्रेट हैंड एट ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सोशल पार्टीज. मतलब ही इज एन एक्सपर्ट इन ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सोशल पार्टीज के लिए क्या है. ही इज अ ग्रेट हैंड. We need a great hand. We need, you can say, to crack IAS examination, one needs a great hand as a helping hand. ग्रेट हैंड समझ आ गया? Get down to the brass tacks. Get down to the brass tacks means to deal with the matter straight. The one who has a great hand in any skill would not be without employment, would always be able to earn his livelihood. अगला कर ले अब 20th. Get down to the brass tacks to deal with the matter straight. You can say handsome, you can say professionals get hand to someone whom they many great hand personalities lives in the whole world. Yeah, live in the whole world. MS Dhoni is a great hand in captaincy. ठीक है. ग्रेट हैंड का मतलब एक्सपर्ट ही होता है. यू कैन से it's really good to be in the great hands while preparation. It's really good to be in great hands while preparation. MS Dhoni is a great hand in captaincy. Was a great hand in research on technology. ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है. The fisherman has a great hand in caughting the fish from the sea. मतलब फिशरमैन ने इनटू क्या करना है? फ्रॉम द सी ना, उसने तो निकालनी है. My sister is a great hand. She needs to get down to the brass tacks and should not waste and and does not waste her time here and there. CBI has a great hand in solving complex cases. Very nice. I am having a great hand in hairdressing. जोबन मैंने नहीं पढ़ा है बेटा, मैं तो आई ट्राई टू रीड एवरी वंस. The amendment should be written in get down. The amendment should be written in get down to the brass track manners. Deal with the matter. The amendment should be written in get. Amendment should be written. The amendment should be carried out like a get down to the brass tacks. The government officials should get down to the brass tacks instead of wasting the time. Very good. हाँ जी बिल्कुल. पारुल वेट करो. The amendment should be written in get down to the brass tacks. The amendment should be handled with, मतलब should be handled with brass tacks. सीधा. Give one a long rope. मतलब इसका क्या मतलब है? To let someone commit mistakes. Give one a long rope. इसका क्या मतलब है? He never gives his employer a long rope. मतलब कि वो गलतियां करता रहे, है ना? तो एम्प्लॉयर जो था कभी भी अपने एम्प्लॉय को लंबी रोप नहीं देता था. इसका मतलब ये है कि ऐसी रोप नहीं देता था कि वो सारा दिन गलतियां करता रहे. अब यहाँ पे भी गिव वन अ लॉन्ग रोप. Parents should not give their children a long rope in practical. Give one a long rope. फटाफट बनाओ इसके sentences. To let someone commit mistakes. Parents should not give their children a long rope. Our teachers always try not to give a long rope to our teachers है ना. To us आएगा, फिर our क्यों लिखा पहले? We should give ourselves a long rope because mistakes are the best teacher. Very nice. बड़ी अच्छी तरह से कान पकड़ा है, इधर से नहीं तो उधर से सही. We should in today's world का WORLD आना है. In today's world of cutthroat competition, all people try to give a long rope. To be able to understand life, one must give a long rope. You can say, uh, give one along to get someone commit mistakes. Parents should give a long rope to their children so that their personality improves by leaps and bounds. To able to understand one's life, it is very important from the God side to give us a long rope. To be able to understand life is just giving a long rope. कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपको ये वर्ड्स याद रहे और अपने राइटिंग में आप यूज करो इनको? ये बताओ मुझे. I never try to give a long rope to teach my younger children. Sometimes. Why not? जब भी मतलब सिचुएशन आती तब क्यों नहीं? Some parents gives a long rope to the children that is not good for, and it is not good for their future. Sometimes at that time mind was just focusing on the issue. Captain of the team India always tried not to give long rope to its players. My mother did not give us a long rope ever for making us good human beings. My father gives us a long rope so that we learn by our own. आगे उसको explain भी तो करो. My father gives us a long rope so that we can learn by our own. क्या हो गया? गुड टर्न। गुड टर्न का मतलब क्या होता है? एन एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस। इसका क्या मतलब होता है? He did me a good turn by recommending me in his office. We should never give our children a long rope in their childhood. गुड टर्न मतलब होता है कि फेवर करना। यस, एन एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस। इसका मतलब है किसी की मदद करना। जैसे आप रिकमेंड कर देते हो किसी को और उसको उस चीज की रिकमेंडेशन से उसका जो है काम हो जाता है, तो दैट इज समथिंग विच इज नोन एज एन एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस। He did me a good turn by recommending in his office for the job. अब आप लोग बनाओ, एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस के ऊपर टॉप बनाइए। He shows good turn by adopting the street dogs from the society. We should always treat people, we should always treat with the people. We should always treat people with the good turn, with an act of kindness. Yes, what about others? शिवम, आप बहुत अच्छे सेंटेंसेस बनाते हो, रियली। दैट्स वेरी नाइस। Pastor Ankur Narula did a good turn by providing food to the needy people. Very nice. Perfect. We should show good turn because everyone is going through a lot. Very nice. अब सबको मोटिवेशन मिली है कि मैडम ने उसको बोला है, अब ये लिखेंगे। डॉक्टर वॉज ट्रीटिंग द पेशेंट ऑन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अदर पर्सन लाइफ। ये क्या? ट्रीटिंग द पेशेंट ऑन अ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट बाय शोइंग अ गुड टर्न। नहीं, डॉक्टर वॉज treating the patient with the good turn. Bas means with an act of kindness. Sometimes doing a good turn can change other person's life. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal shows a good turn by providing needed facilities, by providing required facilities to the farmers at the time of protesting. Please change your sentence. Do the alteration. Teacher, by providing free education to the needy people, did a good turn. एक बार इनको रिवाइज भी करना सबको। विल यू पीपल डू इट? ओके, थैंक यू। Have your dinner and get ready for the next class. Doctor was treating the patient with the good turn. God bless you too. In India, there is some NGO who providing. Who are protesting? People है, चीजें नहीं है. चीजों के लिए विच होता है, लोगों के लिए हु होता है. अब आपकी नेक्स्ट क्लास कितने बजे है? Devil shows a good turn by giving up the ghost. ओके, है आज क्लास? ओके जी, ओके, टेक केयर.